existing curriculum of ITIs are not exactly matching the requirement of the industry. So, to my understanding, there could be more practical oriented training programs wherein the industry also has a role. The students are getting exposures in the industry, more of the exposure visit. In fact, the learning should be 60% practical and 40% theoretical. Apprenticeship or internship, this should not be considered as a compliance for the industry. It is more of a responsibility. This is a responsibility of an industry also to make the students brighter, to take care of them so that they become better in future, skillful in future, which will meet the requirement of the industry as well. I like to connect it with the Government of India's Skill India mission. This is not going to be the role of the government or the ITIs only to train these people. This is going to be the responsibility of the industries as well. I would also like to connect it to another component, which is corporate social responsibility, under which the industries must take up the responsibility to make the youth more skillful. I would like to congratulate Wadhwani Foundation to shake this hand with us, Spark Minda, Ashok Minda Group, along with Wadhwani Foundation and Government of Delhi, NCT Delhi. We are presently doing some kind of industry academia partnership, exposure visits, exchange of learnings, where our people will also be going to the ITIs to train the students, which will actually be benefiting them. Moreover, I would also like to advocate for the involvement of industrial people in curriculum upgradation of ITIs, which will be very much significant in coming future, which will actually be matching the actual requirement of the industry.